Hey concrete fans, thank you. Today I'm going to show you how we figured out the perfect design for you. Rapid prototyping. But rapid prototyping involves iterating on a design a bunch of times. The Mayku Formbox helped us iterate designs 15 times a day. We were rapid prototyping. Here's how we did it. Take our plastic sheet, put it in, set our timer, set our heat, raise the tray, click it in place, click the start button, wait for the timer, take our model, place the model on the cage, and now we're going to wait for approximately 1 minute. It's sagging. This is sagging enough. So here we go. Watch this. Yeah! We did it. We made a rapid prototype. It's amazing. So quick, so easy. There's our mold. Now, if I wanted to, and if you wanted to spend the whole day with me, we could wait, we could pop this mold out, then we could cast something into it, concrete or plaster, whatever we want, a casting material. And then that casting material, we could change it. We could change it up. We could make adjustments as we see fit. That's rapid prototyping. Thanks for tuning in to Behind the Scenes with Concrete. A little bit of background info on how we came up with the design for the Easy Make Concrete Making Kit.